Now let's solve the problem. 1 minus tan square A divided by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. Here we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So first let me write down the LHS. Solution. We know that the LHS is 1 minus tan square A divided by cot square A minus 1. Tan A, we can write it as sin A by cos A, right? In the same way, tan square A can be written as sin square A divided by cos square A. Therefore, 1 minus tan square A, I will write it as sin square A divided by cos square A whole divided by cot square A. Cot A can be written as cos A by sin A. Therefore, cot square A can be written as cos square A divided by sin square A. Therefore, this cot square A, I will write it as cos square A divided by sin square A minus 1. Okay. Now, let's take the LCM here. Nothing is in the denominator, so I will consider it as 1. Okay. 1 and cos square A. What is the LCM? Cos square A is the LCM. Cos square A. See here. Therefore, this numerator, we will multiply it by cos square A. Cos square A. Minus. Here, cos square A is the LCM, so we will multiply it by 1. Sin square A into 1 is sin square A. Sin square A whole divided by cos square A divided by sin square A minus 1. Let's take the LCM of this. Nothing is in the denominator, so I will write it as 1. What is the LCM here? Sin square A is the LCM. Sin square A. Since sin square A is the LCM, here we will multiply it by 1. Therefore, it will become cos square A. Cos square A minus 1 into sin square A. That is, it will become sin square A. Okay. Now, look at this. It is the numerator and it is the denominator. And it is the numerator and it is the denominator. Right? Numerator and numerator both are same, means cos square A minus sin square A, both are same in the numerator. Therefore, we can cancel these two terms. Okay. Now what is left? 1 by cos square A divided by 1 by sin square A. Okay. Now, it will become 1 by cos square A into this sin square A, it will go to the numerator, into sin square A divided by 1. Right? Now, 1 into sin square A is sin square A divided by cos square A into 1 is cos square A. We know that sin square A divided by cos square A is tan square A. Tan square A. Right? That is what our RHS. We proved that LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.